8 ways on how to lose weight naturally. Some of these suggestions may be useful if you want to lose weight rapidly, but rapid weight loss is rarely long-lasting. It will help you improve your health and increase the likelihood that you will lose weight permanently if you concentrate on long-term health and behaviors you can maintain. 1. Add protein to your diet. Protein is the nutrient king when it comes to weight loss. A high-protein diet can increase metabolism by up to 80 to 100 calories per day since your body burns calories while digesting and metabolizing the protein you eat. Additionally, a high-protein diet might increase fullness and decrease hunger. In fact, according to some research, a high-protein diet results in daily calorie reductions of almost 400. Consuming a high-protein breakfast, such as eggs, can have a significant impact. 2. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods typically include high levels of calories, added sugars, and extra fats. Additionally, processed meals are created to encourage you to eat as much as you can. Compared to unprocessed foods, they are significantly more likely to lead to addictive-like eating. 3. Limit your intake of added sugar. Consuming excessive amounts of added sugar has been related to heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer, 3 of the most prevalent diseases in the world. The average daily intake of added sugar in the world is 15 teaspoons. You can be consuming a lot of sugar without even realizing it because this amount is frequently concealed in various processed foods. Finding out how much sugar is actually in a product can be very challenging because sugar goes by many different names in ingredient lists. A fantastic strategy to enhance your diet is to reduce the amount of added sugar you consume. 4. Drink water. The assertion that drinking water can aid in weight loss is true in fact. For an hour after drinking 0.5 liters of water, your ability to burn calories could rise by 24 to 30%. Ingesting less calories may also result from drinking water before meals, particularly for middle-aged and older individuals. When water is substituted for other beverages that are heavy in calories and sugar, weight loss benefits are especially noticeable. 5. Drink unsweetened coffee. Fortunately, more and more people are becoming aware of how healthful and full of antioxidants and other good ingredients coffee is. Drinking coffee may aid weight loss by boosting energy levels and calorie expenditure. Caffeinated coffee may increase your metabolism by 3 to 11% and lower your risk of type 2 diabetes by a staggering 23 to 50%. Black coffee is also excellent for weight loss because it can make you feel full but has almost no calories. 6. Avoid liquid calories. Drinks like sweet soft drinks, fruit juices, chocolate milk, and energy drinks all include liquid calories. These beverages are unhealthy in several ways, including a higher risk of obesity. In one study, the risk of childhood obesity was dramatically increased by 60% for each daily serving of a sugar-sweetened beverage. The brain does not record liquid calories the same way it does solid calories, so you end up putting these calories on top of everything else you consume. This is another crucial point to remember. 7. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are incredibly nutritious foods that support weight loss. They often have a very low energy density in addition to being high in water, minerals, and fiber. This enables you to eat substantial portions without absorbing too many calories. People who consume more fruits and vegetables tend to weigh less, according to numerous studies. 8. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for weight loss as well as for preventing weight gain in the future. According to studies, persons who don't get enough sleep are up to 55% more likely to become obese than those who do. For kids, this figure is significantly greater. This is partially due to poor appetite regulation caused by sleep loss, which affects the daily oscillations in hunger hormones. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, bye. If you like the video, kindly share and consider to subscribe.